All success is based on planning, so think before you act. The best moment is when you relax and are not rushed to plan. A life coach can help you realize your dreams, step by step. You have to feel good about yourself, your self-esteem, and self-confidence by being on top of your game. The main way to build your self-worth is by talking in front of people as if you were motivating others on the stage as a life coach. Scribed by myself, Gino DiCaprio. The excerpt is taken from The Universal Law of Creation, Chronicles, Book 1, Secrets and Laws of the Universe, Revised Edition.